Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Analytics for e-commerce tracking with Tag Manager, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore Google Analytics for e-commerce tracking with Tag Manager, start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the container associated with your website. Next, navigate to the Tags section in the left-hand menu. Click on the New button to create a new tag. Name your tag something descriptive, like GA for e-commerce tracking. Under Tag Configuration, select Google Analytics, GA for Event. In the Configuration tag drop-down, select your existing GA for configuration tag. For the event name, enter Purchase to capture transaction data. Scroll down to find the Event Parameters section. Click on Add Row to input your e-commerce parameters. Enter currency as the parameter name, and set its value to the currency you are using. Add additional rows for parameters like transaction_ID, value, and items. For transaction_ID, use the variable that captures the unique or set the value to the total transaction amount. For items, you will need to configure the data layer to include product information. If you haven't set up a data layer yet, you will need to modify your website's code to push e-commerce data. Once you've configured the necessary parameters, click on Triggering to set up when this tag should fire. Select the trigger that corresponds to the order confirmation page or event. After setting up your trigger, save your tag configuration. Now, click Submit in the top right corner to publish your changes in Tag Manager. Give your version a descriptive name, then click Publish to activate the new tracking. Next, navigate to your Google Analytics 4 account. Go to Real-Time Reports to verify if the e-commerce tracking is working correctly. Make a test purchase on your website to confirm data is being sent successfully. Check the reports to ensure values, transaction IDs, and item details are properly recorded. Review your configuration periodically to ensure everything functions as expected. This completes your guide to restoring Google Analytics for e-commerce tracking using Tag Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.